What exactly is wholesaling houses? I'm sure you've heard of the terms. You've heard people talking about it, seen and heard people making a ton of money by wholesaling houses, but you just don't quite understand what it is. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what wholesaling houses is to try to make it understandable for you. So, wholesaling houses is similar to being a real estate agent. Notice I said similar. The difference is you don't need a license, you don't actually need good credit, and you don't need money to do this business. So how is it similar to being a real estate agent? When you're going out to start wholesaling houses, one of your main jobs is to find homeowners. That's right. You're going to have to be able to find people that own properties. Now, what makes it different than a real estate agent is, as a wholesaler, you're not going to be selling these properties for the homeowners. What you're going to be doing is getting a contract to purchase the property. You're going to be going to the homeowner as a buyer, not an agent trying to sell the property. Now, when you find a homeowner that wants to sell their property, you're going to negotiate a deal to buy that property from them. What you're going to do then is you're going to get a contract, a purchase agreement to buy that property from the homeowner. Then what you do is you're going to sell that contract to another buyer for a higher price. Now, you don't need money, you don't need credit, and you don't need a license to get a contract to buy a piece of property, and you don't need neither of those three things to sell that contract. And you can make the difference between what the contract is for and how much you sell it for. So an example, let's say you find a homeowner that wants to sell their property. You negotiate the deal to buy it for $150,000. Now you go out, you find yourself a cash buyer that wants to buy that property for $170,000. Well, the difference between those two prices would be $20,000. So in this instance, if your buyer would pay all closing costs, you would be making about $20,000 on that property. Now, the best part about that is it would be with no money out of pocket. You wouldn't need a license to do it, and you don't need good credit. I have been doing this since 2013. I have taught over 200 people and helped over 200 people build six-figure businesses doing this. If you want to learn how to start wholesaling houses, definitely reach out to me. You can actually fill out the form that you find either in the description or on the webpage. I will be more than happy to help you learn this business.